Hello, my name is Vanessa. Today I will compare El Pollo Loco and KFC. El Pollo Loco has green chicken. It's fresh, healthy, and light. KFC has fried chicken. It's crispy, famous, and heavy. El Pollo Loco is healthier and fresh than KFC. But KFC is more popular and crispy than El Pollo Loco. In conclusion, El Pollo Loco is better for people who like green chicken, and KFC is better for people who like fried chicken. Thank you.
Bisou and Maybelline comparison. Place 1. Bisou. Bisou is cheap, new, trendy, light, and bright. Number 1. Bisou is cheaper than Maybelline. 2. Bisou is newer than Maybelline in some trends. 3. Bisou is later than Maybelline. 4. Bisou is brighter than Maybelline. 5. Bisou is smaller than Maybelline. Place 2. Maybelline. Maybelline is big, old, strong, dark, and popular. Number 1. Maybelline is bigger than Bisou. 2. Maybelline is older than Bisou. 3. Maybelline is stronger than Bisou. 4. Maybelline is darker than Bisou. 5. Maybelline is better than Bisou.
Hola, my name is Alison. This is comparison in Little Caesar y Domino's. Little Caesar versus Domino's. Little Caesar is cheaper and faster than Domino's. Domino's hamburger and more foods than Little Caesar. In Domino's is more delicious and Little Caesar. Little Caesar is simple and Domino's is better Little Caesar.
Hi, I'm Alan and I'm going to explain my comparison chart. Starting with Prepa 2. Prepa 2 is greener than Prepa 9 because it has more trees. Prepa 2 is more peaceful than Prepa 9. In my personal experience, students of Prepa 2 are kinder than the students of Prepa 9. Prepa 2 is bigger than Prepa 9, and Prepa 2 is more expensive than Prepa 9 because the transportation is very expensive. Continuing with Prepa 9, Prepa 9 is better on sports than Prepa 2, gives more freedom than Prepa 2 in my personal experience. Prepa 9 has better food than Prepa 2 in my opinion. Prepa 9 is more organized than Prepa 2 and isn't as good at music as Prepa 2.
Hi, today I'm going to compare Cinepolis and Cinemex, which are two popular movie theaters. First, Cinepolis is more modern than Cinemex and is also bigger. Because of that, many people like going theater, so Cinepolis is more popular than Cinemex. Another thing is that Cinepolis is cleaner, which makes the experience nicer. But one disadvantage is that Cinepolis is more expensive than Cinemex. On the other hand, Cinemex is cheaper than Cinepolis, so many people prefer it because they spend less money. Also, Cinemex is simpler and smaller, but is still a good place to watch movies. In my opinion, the staff in Cinemex is friendlier and sometimes is more practical for people. So yeah, both cinemas are a good opinion. Cinepolis is more modern, bigger, and more popular, while Cinemex is cheaper and simple. It just depends on what people prefer.
Today I will compare Galerías Monterrey and Plaza Fiesta Nahuac. First, Galerías Monterrey is bigger than Plaza Fiesta Anahuac. Also, Galerías Monterrey is more popular than Plaza Fiesta Nahuac. Another difference is that Galerías Monterrey is more expensive than Plaza Fiesta Nahuac. It is also more crowded and has more stories than Plaza Fiesta Nahuac. On the other hand, Plaza Fiesta Nahuac is closer than Galerías Monterrey. It is smaller and chapter than Galerías Monterrey. It is also cuter and has fewer stories. In conclusion, both places are good, but they are different. Thank you.